So today we are gonna learn about a new posture, cat and cow posture. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Aurayega with Kajal. Cat posture or cow posture will give mobility to your spine, not only your spine but also in your pelvis. In day-to-day life, most of the time we stand only on one position, putting more weight on one side. This is not good. So day by day our one side becomes shorter or stiffer. So that is why this posture is very important for those who are beginners. So you can say it is a kind of massage to your spine. So let's get started.
Start this asana, sit in vajrasana, stand on knees, hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Your back flat and parallel to the floor and keep your foot back and keep your palms on the floor. Inhale and your belly down towards floor. This is the cow pose. Exhale, moving to the cat pose by lifting the lower back up, middle back up and try to bring down to the chest. Now while moving up, inhale, coming down, exhale. Feel the stretch in the back muscles, the movement happening in the spine. It will increase the mobility in your spine, improves flexibility and strengthens your abdomen. We will repeat this about 10 times. After completing 10 rounds, we'll lie down in Shashank aasan. We'll relax for a few seconds.